Hello everybody and welcome to a brand new video of infotainment under the playlist of Smart Minds. Well, today in this video we'll see as a part of a series on how to use Zoom. This is the second video. Here we'll discuss how to schedule a meeting. Well, in our previous video we had discussed like how to create an account on Zoom, and in this video we'll see how to schedule a meeting in Zoom, which is very important for the use of Zoom. So straight away, let us go to how to schedule a meeting on Zoom. So I'll show you how to schedule a meeting. So just press on this. There are three options will be coming here, like schedule a meeting, join a meeting, or host a meeting. So first of all, let me schedule a meeting. I will schedule it first. I've told you in this video will only cover how to create or schedule a meeting and how to create an ID. The next video will show you in detail how to use the option that comes while scheduling or hosting a meeting. So here, so for scheduling meeting, you have to fill up this kind of tabs. In first tab it is topic. So topic is test YouTube. Description to show, you can write anything what exactly the meeting is going to be, to show the Zoom app, show the Zoom functionalities. Okay, when, so I can choose a time here, let it be 6:30, or you can even select a date over here by clicking on this calendar, and duration, of course by default it will be 1 hour, or you can make it up to 6 hours as well. For example, I choose 6 hours. Let's see, but this meeting limit will only be for 40 minutes. Again, you have to rejoin since it's a free version. So even if it's a 6 hour meeting duration. So time zone, the thing is after 6 hours you cannot continue with that meeting. So it's my advice that if you have a meeting of 1 hour, make it 2 to 3 hours, because if at all the meeting extends, which usually happens, at least you have that extra time with you. Or else go for full 6 hours. You don't have to pay for larger meetings, so it's better to go for the highest 6 hours. Time zone, it's India. So if you want a recurring meeting at the same time, so you can press recurring meeting. It will ask you like daily, repeat every 1 day, or every 2 3 4, every weekly, everything will be here. So if the recurring meeting, you don't have to do or fill this form every time. Just press on this recurring meeting and fill this form. So I'll just uncheck this. Meeting ID generate automatically, or personal meeting. So I'll like generate automatically, because it will create a unique meeting ID. So this is it, and security passcode. So you can edit your passcode as well. You can give your own passcode or password for joining this meeting. For example, I'll give ABCD as 1234. Video host, all videos will be off for now, or else you can choose on as well if you want all to join with their own cameras on. So meeting option, enable join before host. So you can do that if you want all others to join by using this meeting ID before the host, or mute participants upon entry. It's a very important thing while meeting. I advise you to check this because you don't want a disturbance after 10 or 15 minutes of meeting, people joining and we are having a beep sound. If at all you want, then uncheck this, that beep sound. If you want, then you can uncheck this. For now I'll mute participants, uncheck this participant, automatically record meeting on local computer. So this thing, if you want to record the meeting, then you can check this. You don't have to go on every time record the meeting. I'll tell you in the next video how to record meeting. In that video, when I discuss how to host a meeting or what are the features available in a Zoom meeting. For now, if you frequently do meeting and every time you want to record meeting, then you can check this option where you'll be automatically recording meeting on your local disk space or local computer. For now, I'll uncheck this because I don't want to make this test meeting recorded on my computer. So I'll save here. So I'll check once again, topic, description, date, duration, all these things. Now I'll save. Once I save this, you can see this is my meeting created. The meeting ID has been created. Your passcode, You can see ABCD either 1 2 3 4. You can give this meeting ID, and people who want to join can use this meeting ID as well as this passcode to join this meeting. The best thing is you can send this invitation link where you don't want people to type in the meeting ID and then security password. They can easily just click on this link and join to your meeting ID. So I copy this invitation here. So it will show you all this details of this meeting if you copy the invitation, like what is the meeting for, who is inviting. Link will be automatically copied as well as the meeting ID and passcode. So copy meeting invitation, copy to clipboard, fine, and meeting options, all these things. So I'll start this meeting now. Well, for your information, even if the meeting is at 6:30, I can start it before 6:30 as well. So I'll start this meeting. Let me click on here this option, start this meeting. So friends, I hope you have learned here how to schedule a meeting on Zoom. So in our next video, we'll see how to start a meeting, how to use all the features available on Zoom during a meeting. That will be very helpful for you to effectively take through the meeting, and how to like host a meeting, how to use various features of Zoom in our next videos as well. So be with us with all our videos, and please do subscribe to this channel Infotainment to get more of such videos on this channel. And if you found this video useful, please like this and share this video across various platforms so that many would get benefited from this video on how to use Zoom to have meetings at their office or in their homes as well. So till our next video, keep watching Infotainment. We'll be coming up with more of such videos. See you again. See you soon. Thank you.